Folks, I am so disappointed at Hiccup right now. Hiccup, you're disappointing me. And here's the reason why, okay? So, I sent Hiccup out twice. Like, hold on. Let me feed Tuples real quick. I sent Hiccup out twice to get this particular dragon. Like, this dragon right here. I sent him out twice. I sent Hiccup out twice to get this particular dragon, and he has only came back with resources. That's what these dragons are doing over here. Look at these dragons. They are collecting resources for me. I don't need resources, Hiccup. These dragons over here are getting me the resources I need to level you guys up. I don't need another dragon to do that. Your job is to get me a dragon. Go back up. Just, Hiccup, go. No, Hiccup. You go right back out there. And you go find me that dragon. And do not come back until you find me that dragon, Hiccup. Otherwise, I'll take your place as the new Chief of Burke. Jesus freaking Christ. Hiccup, you are such a disappointment. Ugh, Jesus. Good Lord.